So hello guys, you're welcome back to the main stack series of building the Instagram clone. And in the previous video we were able to build the login and register page, and today's video we are going to continue by building the user profile page, the about, the direct page, and also the explore page. So without further ado, let's dive into the code. So this is our basic structure of our app. So let us continue. Inside of the pages, we are going to create a new file. It's going to be explore. Inside of the explore, we are going to have a new file here set to explore the JS. We are going to run a React arrow function inside of it, and also we are going to import the CSS explore.scss, so it's not yet created, so we can create it automatically here. And in the index we can import here by saying import explore. From there, then now here we can export our explore. Okay, sweet. Then in the app.js, yeah, we are going to make it, we're going to give here a route, and the path here is going to be for explore, and you're going to have an element set to the explore, but we don't want our explore to be like this. Our explore needs to be dynamic. That means it's going to have another child that's going to be for the ID. That means where you go now on explore, then you take a particular ID, it's going to fetch only a particular post. Okay, so we are going to have the child here is going to be ID, and here for the moment let's all use the explore. Okay, sweet. Then now you can come here now and say on explore, on the explore page. Now it's going to mount the explore page, but now we want that want to be using a nav bar. Want that it should be functional. We don't need to be typing every time here. So let us go to our nav bar. So inside of our nav bar, we're going to be using React router add-on, the nav link from React router add-on. And inside here, first of all, I'm going to create a username variable. Const username is going to be equals to a string known as zenith novel, and in the first route here, that is going to be for all, how can I even say, nav link from React router DOM that's automatically be imported to here is going to be for home, for the home slash, and we are here, let us close it like that. Okay, the same is going to have a nav link too, but here it's not going to be for explore, here it's going to be for direct, and after it let's proceed, and here is going to be now the nav link to the explore page, and also where we save it, and we also have here, this is where we're going to use now the username variable that we created. Here is going to be profile, but we don't want that it should be only profile. One that it should take now a specific ID. So since we are not yet having an ID, we are just going to make it like ourselves by using this, and now we are going to pass in the username variable. Okay, let me close here. Here also we are going to use the nav link. So here is going to be / settings, and also here let us close it. Okay, sweet. We can go back to the home. Here we can go to the direct, that is we can post also here. Sweet. Everything now functions as usual. Now you can see now this profile. You can go now to the profile, but what we want to make now is every time we click inside of this, you will want to set this user profile to be false. So where is it? This is it here, I think so. No, yeah, this is here. So on click inside of here, it's going to be an on click function. What we want to do here is want to set inside here the user profile drop to false. That means every time we click inside of here, as you can see, it goes. Every time you click, it needs to disappear. Let us go back to the explore page where we were. So now inside of this explore page, we're going to give it a class name set to app _explore, and inside of our explorer CSS, let us bring it to the left. Then now let us close these other ones. Inside of our explore, we are going to have here an explore container where we are going to be using now our images. Our image is the map. Then now for each image we are going to return is going to be using now the link. Wait, let me first of all close this one so that you guys can be seeing very well. So let me take it back. Yeah, we are going to be using, let us first of all import the images from / out of it, again / out of it. Then from these icons, I think I see inside of these icons we want to take in the dummy data. Okay, now we can now take the images, the map. Then now for each image we are going to return here a link, and this link is going to be coming from React Water DOM. So you are going to see it very well. So it's going to be a link that's going to take it to property. So now here is going to be for now it's going to be for the explore then now it's going to take now the image.id. so sorry about that. I'm going to take now the image.id. Inside of here we are going to be using now explore. This is where explore and it's going to be coming. We're going to have an image. Then now this image is going to be using a image here dot image source, and also we need to give here a key variable here that is going to be for the index, and also here we need to close it. Well, so if you save it now, and let's take a look in the browser. Okay, and also we want to put also another div here that is going to be for the explore content. Okay, sweet. Let's start by styling. I love separating them, so I can just be taking their class names, copy, then I paste inside of it. Here I can take a display of flex and give it a width of 100%, where inside of this container, 100% not pixels. Inside of this explore, it's maximum having a typo here, explore container dot the explore container underscore container. Here is going to also have a width of 100%. Going to have a display of flex, a flex wrap, set to wrap, and also we are going to take now the explore that is found inside of the explore. We are going to make it that it looks we are going to give it first of all a height of 293 pixels, a width also of 293 pixels, the margin set to 11 pixels, not 10, and also let's image that is found inside, give it a height of 100%, a width of 100%, an object fit set to cover, and also I think it needs to be 8. So there are the images. So yeah, the images, everything is being arranged. So now if I hover on them, you can see now on the bottom left hand side of the okay, so you can see how the images are, everything. Then now we want also to give this explore, I want to give it a position set to relative, because now this explore content here we are going to give it a position set to absolute, but we want that the position now that is going to set to be absolute, it should be applied only when we hover on the explore. So now we can now take now this explore content and now give it a position set to absolute, top 0 and left 0. it takes the width of 100% and the height of 100% also, and gives a background of RGB 00 0.5. So now over width done. Let me see, it's still compiling. Okay, it's done. Let me restart here. Okay, as you can see, that's it, but it's not kind of smooth. So yeah, instead of this explore, we are going to give it a transition. I'm going to give it a variable that was trans. So if I save it, transition, by waiting for it to be saved, yeah, it's still saving. So let me just refresh, reload the page in order for it to be applied. The page is to be loaded. So while waiting for it, let us look for our icons on Material UI. So inside of I'm going to go to new tab, wow, let's solve this. Let's solve this. Why is it not given as expected? Transition. Wait, let me take it back. Transition. Let's reload back the page. Wow. Okay. I messed up there. I see. For my error. So that's it. So there was a typo here. I forgot my semicolon. Let's have now a transition, and it uses a transition variable. Okay, sweet.